हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर मेरे चैनल पर न्यू है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें। चलिए दोस्तों, जो मैं जिस वेबसाइट के बारे में आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, बहुत कमाल की वेबसाइट है। चलिए टाइम वेस्ट के बाद आज के हम अपनी वेबसाइट स्टार्ट करें। वेलकम टू लिटिल बेबी डॉग। लिटिल बेबी डॉग मोर देन जस्ट अ चेन। लिटिल बेबी डॉग is one of the most invested crypto project to date, integrated charity with cryptocurrency for a more impactful futures। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। कुछ इनका कॉन्टैक्ट दिया गया जो आपके सामने है, आप इनसे कॉन्टैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। कोइन मार्केट कैप कोइन जी को। लिटिल बेबी डॉग इज अ हैपर डिफलेंट्री decentralized backup token community driven project that aims to reduce global warming by being the number one cryptocurrency platform for fighting climate change. Founded in Stockholm, Sweden in 2021 by an international team of climate change activists how wanted to find a way to take action against the dangerous effect of global warming. Little baby dog is created with one purpose। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। बाय बैक बर्न लॉक लिक्विडिटी fight climate change with the little baby dog. Little baby dog is a team of anonymous climate change activists who are all about making the world a better place for future generation. The main objective of little baby dog is to help promote environment awareness through engineering contact and innovative project that will foster change in our society। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। वर्किंग विद ग्रेटा थम्बर्ग Meta Great Meta Greta Thunberg meet Greta Thunberg. Meet Greta Thunberg. The LBD team is very much inspired by the action taken by Greta Thunberg to fight climate change. Her impact on worldwide awareness of this global issue has been monumental, and it would be an honor for us to work with her in some capacity, has she seems like such a personality fighter। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। A big surprise for Greta Thunberg. Our climate change activities in Stockholm have planned a surprise for Greta Thunberg. They are going to hand delivers are an important check as the is developing either one of the most significant speech or projects against climate change. Team Greta, donate our documents. You can find link to your official white paper below. Bark paper. Check out our ecosystem. LDB Swap, Yield Farm, Lettery, NFT Market, Change the World donation platform, merch store, little baby dog exclusive NFT, little baby dog merch, tokenomics 6% legal backpack, 2% reward to holders, 3% marketing, 1% charity, buyback turning on the buyback future ensures the system buyback token from the market। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। बर्न इज इमीडिएटली इन्वाइटेड टू द टोकन्स बाउट थ्रू आवर बायबैक फ्यूचर्स। दोस्तों, आगे खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। रिवार्ड्स जो आपके सामने हैं। Reward holders are also rewarded using instant auto starting of 2% of the instruction volume, and they can seamlessly mentor the growth of their holding in real time। total supply 1.000 जो आपके सामने है। 28.5% public, 36% pre-sale, 3.5 airdrop valid, 10% depth valid, 22% liquidity over smart contract explained for those who are curious about how to the little baby dog smart contract works। Little baby dog is a hyper deflectory token with holders rewards and automatic buybacks similarly to rise token, meaning it has auto buybacks when activities। जो दोस्तों, आगे खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। Smiley put for every sale. It collects LDB token from only that sale, then swap the LDB to BNB, which goes into the LDB belly to be used for buybacks with BNB। All of those fees go right back into making more babies so that one day we will have enough little baby dogs around forever, revolving the well manipulation. Well, manipulation is over there thanks to little baby dog. How many people have lost their stride to manipulation by whole traders। दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं। लिटिल बेबी डॉग एंटी डंपिंग पॉलिसी एंड anti-dumping policy is a set of rules that prevents investors from falling victim to pump and dump schemes. दोस्तों आगे आप खुद ही रीड आउट कर सकते हैं. Baby back to project investors. The project investors, there are more policies in place apart from anti-dumping such as buyback. LDB use a buyback policy for many reasons to lower the number of token in circulation with time to ensure the volume of LDB tokens. दोस्तों आगे आप खुद ही डाउट कर सकते हैं. The LDB smart contract. Pay board. No check mark does not mean completed or not completed. Birth phase 1, crab phase 2, walk phase 3, run phase 4, jump phase 5, moon phase 6, moon phase 7, inspection, regulatory marketing scheme to get the project spreading. Mimi development website launch 3000 active members. Birth of little baby dogs. Frequently asked questions. Question: what is 23% plus 99.7% wallet? Adev holds this token of future farming and stating utilities. When will staking farming commence? Question: why can I transfer for one wallet into another wallet? Question: when are LDB gonna do buyback burn? Why cannot I sell? What is the initial MCAP? Question: liquidity locked for how long? Where to buy? Question: will the contract be renounced? How do you plan to donate to Greta? Where is the team form? How does the buyback schemes work? Where did the pre-sale holds? What is the pre-sale price and launch price? Have the project been audited? How can I contact you for a partnership? दोस्तों जी आप देख सकते हैं जो कि आपके सामने है. ज्वाइन ओवर कम्युनिटी. देखें दोस्तों कुछ आपके सामने इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, फेसबुक वगैरह आपके सामने दिए गए हैं. कॉपीराइट 2021 लिटिल बेबी डॉग. आवर राइट्स कंडक्शन लिटिल बेबी डॉग्स is not an investment, and like Dogecoin we created has a meme parody. Little baby dog makes on promise and is not responsible for any losses or errors. Little baby dog is not affiliated with Dogecoins. दोस्तों ये एक बहुत ही कमाल की वेबसाइट है. आज की हमारी वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होती है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए मिलेंगे. अब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.